Hello, welcome. I'm at Caravan Salon Dusseldorf. This is a Chausson V594 Max campervan. It's family approved. Let's have a look at it inside. Something like this is going to cost you €55,405. 6-metre campervan. So, 6-metre Fiat Ducato campervan. Well, you might think they all look the same. Yeah, that's largely speaking true. And kitchen here, sink there. Note, large drainage. Here's the fridge. Fridge opens both ways. Got some drawers in the kitchen block. You got a wardrobe down here. This is where it is different. Here you've got this enormous the sleeping area, 2 double beds at the back. You can take both beds out. I don't know why you don't want to take both of them out, but you might want to just take one out. And also you've got these nets here to stop you falling out of bed when you're pretty sloshed. That's what this one is. Let's have a look in the washroom. No light. Turn the light on. Where's the light? It's behind me. Oh, it doesn't matter here. We've seen it. It's very nice for a 6-metre vehicle. Very large toilet and wash. So it's left in the toilet. In fact, what's left in the toilet is the chemical for the Aqua Chem Blue. Sorry. Excuse me. Sorry. All right. Let's. Oh, sorry. The lights here. There's the lights. Is it on now? No, it isn't. Here, we'll have another go. It's on now. There you go. It's on now. You see, nobody else shows you what it looks like in both the dark and the light. Sorry, I assumed the lights were on. I didn't even check before I came in. Good. Right, storage up here. That's what it looks like. There's the light letting us know it's still on. Right, I'm going to turn them off now. Do you see the difference? Just prove it to you, just in case you don't believe me. There you go, it's locked. It's off. Let's come out the back. And so it has been family approved, and that's what it looks like at the rear. You see, there's some storage stuff stored down there. I suppose if a couple of kids that wanted to go camping, then that might be what it's actually designed for. Down here, you'll note that because of the beds, you can only. Oh, sorry. You can put a full length. Sorry, you can put a full-sized gas canister in there, and you can put a full-sized gas canister in there. I have never seen this layout before, with 2 separate places for gas. Okay, good. I don't know how that would work. Maybe one's a spare, and you sort of just bring it over. Good. So that's the Chausson first line V594 Max, and here at Caravan Salon. Thanks for watching.